Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to talk to Nuggs customer care on your phone. I know that this can be a bit of a challenge, especially if you're new to using Nuggs. But don't worry, I'm here to help. Why is it important to know how to talk to Nuggs customer care? There are a few reasons why it's important to know how to talk to Nuggs customer care. First, if you're having any trouble with your account, they can help you troubleshoot the problem. Second, they can answer any questions you have about Nuggs products or services. And third, they can provide you with support if you need it. How to talk to Nuggs customer care on your phone. Now that you know why it's important to know how to talk to Nuggs customer care, let's get started. Here are the steps you need to follow. Go to the Nuggs website. Click on the Support tab. Select Contact Us. Click on the Phone tab. Call the phone number that is listed. Once you've called the phone number, you will be connected to a Nuggs customer care representative. They will be able to help you with whatever you need. Here are a few tips for talking to Nuggs customer care. Be patient. It may take a few minutes to get connected to a representative. Be polite and respectful. The customer care representatives are there to help you, so it's important to be polite and respectful to them. Be clear and concise. Tell the representative what you need help with as clearly and concisely as possible. Be prepared to answer some questions. The representative may need to ask you some questions about your account in order to help you. How to send BTC from Nuggs. Now that we've talked about how to talk to Nuggs customer care, let's move on to how to send BTC from Nuggs. Sending BTC from Nuggs is easy. Here are the steps you need to follow. Log into your Nuggs account. Click on the Send tab. Enter the address of the wallet you want to send BTC to. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Click on the Send button. Once you've clicked on the Send button, your BTC will be sent to the wallet you specified. Additional tips for sending BTC from Nuggs. Make sure that the address of the wallet you're sending BTC to is correct. Double-check the amount of BTC you're sending before you click on the Send button. Be aware of the fees associated with sending BTC. I hope this blog post has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Nuggs website, https://www.grc.nasa.gov/beginners-guide-to-dash-aeronautics/Nuggs-laws-of-motion. Nuggs support, https://www.nuggs.co/support. How to send BTC from Nuggs. https://lpwdo.co/hc/enus/articles/how do I withdraw cryptocurrency from my Nuggs account to an external wallet. I hope you enjoyed this blog post. If you did, please share it with your friends and family. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. If you have any other questions about Nuggs, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm always happy to help. I hope this helps.